How to apply for a loan on Heartland Bank Online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily apply for a loan from Heartland Bank Online. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Heartland Digital. And once you search in for that, just tap on this first link, which is the official website of heartland.com. And once inside here, now simply select this hamburger icon, or you can just log into your account from the bottom itself. And if you are new to the account, you can just tap on this new user access to simply log in with your new account. And once you successfully log into your account, now simply tap on this hamburger icon if you are using from your browser just like me. And once you're inside here, you can see there is an option that is apply for loan. So just tap on that. And from over here, now you just have to simply choose the type of the loan or specific type of loan that you are interested in, such as mortgage or car loan or personal loan and home loan, etc. So let's say I want to choose car loan. So after choosing the loan type, you just have to provide all of the on-screen instruction, that is your details over here, such as your registration number, purchase price, deposit trade-in value, or and how long you want to take a loan for, like 5 years, 6 months, etc. And you can also choose your time frame from the over here. And once you choose all of that, you can just fill out all of these details and check the all of those boxes and simply click on next. And after choosing the loan type, you will typically need to fill out an online application such as this with your personal and financial information, including the details about the loan amount and purchase. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.